This video is being recorded on Sunday, January 27th, 2019. Hello everyone, this is Nicholas Acosta and welcome back to CSCBVIP, also known as Computer Science for Blind and Visually Impaired People. Welcome to another video, and today I want to do a follow-up video because I noticed after posting the video, my last video on Thursday, I believe it was. Yeah, it was on Thursday. On the Aira smart glasses. If you want to check out that video, I will be putting a link in the description box below. That way, you can listen to that video. But I noticed that I didn't really talk about what you get in the box as part of your package. So today we're going to talk about the Horizon Kit. And basically, the Horizon Kit is the glasses and the Horizon phone. And of course, it's using 4G LTE. It also supports Wi-Fi. But the phone is based off of it's a Samsung phone. It's the Samsung J7. It was the model, according to one of the agents that I spoke to, it was the 2018 model, so not that old. Of course, being that this is running the specific software for the Aira service to work, it's using Chloe and everything else. The screen has been disabled, and you can't use this phone to make phone calls. You can only use it to call the Aira agents. And of course, to use Chloe, you can ask her for the time. You can say, read this, and if you have a piece of, if you have like a printed, if you have a book, underneath the camera, or you have any printed material will work. You just hold down the home button, the rectangular button, and you just say, read this. And this feature is currently in beta, but it's gonna get better over time. And I'm gonna be doing a separate video, and I know that I mentioned this in the last video. I'm gonna be doing a separate video on the Horizon phone, because I really want to demo that. So I just want to start by saying that I was able to use the glasses on Friday, because that's when I started my third semester. I had to go to class, and once I got into the college, I didn't know where I was going, so with the help of an Aira agent, I was able to do it successfully. So it's like having a pair of eyes. You see, you can't, being that you can't see, it's like you have someone that's seeing for you. So that's pretty cool. They can see through the glasses because of the cameras that are built into the glasses. Now I want to explain something to you before I talk about what you get when your glasses have been delivered. Before I talk about that, I want to talk about why Aira. Why would you get Aira? Why would you pay for this service? Well, you see, You see, I'm gonna make I'm gonna make a few comments. I've never used Be My Eyes or CrowdViz or any other of those free services, but I will say this: for Be My Eyes, those are volunteers, and I don't know, because the service is free, so I don't know if these volunteers are getting paid or not. Probably not. And maybe these people are just doing this for free. But Be My Eyes isn't gonna help you in all situations. Be My Eyes can be used for simple things, you know. They might be able to. You can use your smartphone's camera to read labels. They can probably tell you what color a piece of clothing is, but they're not gonna be there for you to help you navigate around a college campus or navigate around a grocery store. They're just certain things that Be My Eyes isn't gonna do. And so when you pay $99, let me just back things up. They just rolled something out. If you buy the $29 plan, which is 30 minutes, you will get a 7-day free trial before they charge you, but you won't get the glasses. But that's something to note. If you have a smartphone and you aren't interested in getting the Horizon Kit, you don't have to. You could use your smartphone and you can buy the cheapest plan, but just know that there is a 7-day free trial. Like I said, $99 for 120 minutes, and for $25 more, that would be $124. You would get the glasses. $199 is 300 minutes / $25 for the Horizon Kit. That would be a total of $224 per month. But with these plans, you don't have free trials. So this is why I'm saying, if you haven't already listened to the other video, you might want to listen to that video, because my email address is in the description box of that video. And you know, I might just put my email address in this video as well. But you guys, my subscribers, can email me, or for those of you who are listening to this video, can email me and I will send you a referral link. Of course, you need to have a credit card / debit card, a credit / debit card in order to use the service. But you will get your first month free if you get the standard plan, which is $99 / $124 or $199 / $224. You will get 1 month free, and as a thank you, I will get a discount as well. So just you might want to take advantage of that. If you're worried about paying for the first month and you just want to try things out, just try getting the standard plan, and with my referral link, I will help pay for it, meaning that you will get your first month free. So with the Horizon Kit, when you open up the box, you get your Horizon smartphone, you get the glasses, 2 tether cords, your AC wall adapter, and your micro USB cable, and of course the case for the Horizon smartphone. So if you want to charge the Horizon phone, you would plug one end into the wall adapter and the other end of it into the bottom edge of the phone. If you're familiar with how you would charge an iPhone, the charging port is in the same place, right below the home button, directly towards you. It will take 90 minutes for the phone to charge completely, because the charger that is provided is a fast charger, so an hour and a half. If you use other chargers, you could use other chargers, but then the unit is going to take longer to charge. So I recommend using the charger that comes with the phone. So you get the smartphone, the glasses, the case, the 2 tether cords, and the case for your smartphone. And like I said, you have the micro USB cable and your charger. So that's all you get. Now, my understanding is when I was on the Aira website, which by the way is aira.io, AIRA.io, and according to what I was reading last year, when if you bought your Aira, your Horizon Kit before November of last year, 2018, of course, they would have only provided you with 1 tether cord, and the tether cord, of course, is used to connect to the glasses. One end goes into the right arm of the glass. At the end of it, the part that's going over your ears on the right hand side, that would be your right ear. At the end of that arm, there's a small hole, and this is where one end of that would connect to the glasses and the other end to the Horizon smartphone. So the cord, it feels like it has cloth on the outside. It feels kind of cool. So you get 2 of those just in case one of them breaks. Now you have an extra one. And if for whatever reason you lose that one, you lose your extra one, then you have to go and purchase from their website. And according to them, that will be available. The pricing will be available sometime earlier this year. So that's basically it. Just know that once you purchase these glasses, you are gonna enjoy them. Like I said, these glasses are very, very high quality. The cameras are very, very high quality, and the agents that are helping you, they're able to see very, very far ahead of you. These agents are professionally trained, they're carefully screened, and just know that they're able to help you with anything. Scheduling your Uber/Lyft vehicle to pick you up, helping you sort out your mail, helping you with your clothing, so that they'll tell you what color your clothing is. For someone who is a parent, there's a lot of visually impaired parents out there, a lot of parents who are either blind or may have a little bit of vision. Aira is good for you because they'll help read to your child a bedtime story. They're even good for taking to the movie theater, so that they'll be able to describe a movie. Maybe you're going to the airport, and so knowing that you have an Aira agent there helping you navigate to an airport. Now, an airport can be very, very crowded, and for someone who is visually impaired, they will have problems navigating. And so with Aira, you feel very, very comfortable navigating an airport, and they will make sure that you get on your flight and that you won't miss your flight. I'm telling you guys, this technology is just getting started. This is fairly new technology, and it's only gonna get better. I don't know why I didn't know about this sooner, but I'm glad I know about it now, because when I was younger, I struggled with a lot of things. Now, I feel like I'm not gonna struggle with a lot of things because I'm gonna have Aira guiding me, especially with navigation. I struggled as a young child, but now I just feel like this is gonna be all behind me, and whenever I need help, at just a press of a button, an Aira agent, a professionally trained Aira agent, will be there to guide me in the right direction. So, with that being said, I hope everyone enjoys this video. I hope you enjoyed what you had to hear today. I want to thank all of my new subscribers for subscribing. Just remember to like this video, share it with your family or friends, and subscribe to this channel, and make sure that when you subscribe, you hit that notification bell. That way you won't miss any videos that I upload in the future. Alright, everyone, have a wonderful rest of your day, and we will talk soon. Bye bye.